welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Hey, real quick. Y'all see my destination, right? Yes, guys, I'm going up here. I have a coolant leak on my red minivan. I've been putting this repair off for the longest, guys. I can no longer put it off because I'm about to take it back to the person that's renting it. And what I'm referring to, guys, is my lower intake manifold. All right, it's a 3.3 I want to say 3.3 or 3.8. Yes, y'all know the drill, the little steel. Y'all see where I'm at? Advanced auto, guys. Let's get it. I got an internet order, Johnny Thomas. Internet order, Johnny Thomas. Yes, welcome back, guys. I'm here, my van, getting ready to do the last of the coolant leaks. Okay, yes, guys, radiator been done, water pump been done. I don't even know, I filmed that. I don't know if I uploaded the footage yet, so I might just upload it all together. Well, anyway, I got the Velcro intake gasket. My leak is coming from here, guys. Over time, these things were just leaks. I used to do these left and right. Okay, we hardly ever see cars with this engine in anymore because these are older model. Now, y'all see all that down there? I had coolant everywhere under here. That could only be coming from, you can see it starting to build up here. So the fix for that is to remove the upper everything and gain access to the gaskets. Now, good thing about Velcro, I got some intake gaskets as well. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm a big OEM guy, you know, Mopar parts guy, but I'm here at the dealer, and this damn thing was 4 times the price of Advanced Auto Velcro. I'm sorry. What's the difference? I mean, the Mopar is made of this. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I shouldn't be doing this, but at some point, use common sense. Like, why should I spend 4 times the price of this at the dealer than I can at... Remember, this is okay. It's gonna hold up just as well as the. I don't know why the price differential. I don't know if it's a dealer personnel thing or what. But anyway, I got work to do, guys. I don't want to bore you guys with filming this, but I know I realize some of you guys like to watch, especially the newbies. First thing first, let's get this battery disconnected. We'll see, guys. We'll play it by ear. All right, I got a lot of work to do, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. I'm back. I got the old intake gaskets off. As you can see, guys, try to be careful not to let anything fall down in the intake or in the galley. I know it's gonna be hard. In fact, it's gonna be real hard, but try to keep it as as minimum as possible. Now, what I'm about to do, I want to speak on real quick. Y'all see this? Yes, it's called combustion chamber cleaner, guys. This is what we use to help knock carbon off intake valves. I'm on the intake side of the engine, right? So naturally, I'm closest to the intake valves. All right, now this car do not have carbon buildup on the intake valve like in the past. The gasoline is getting better, guys. Everything getting better, so we're not having that problem like we used to. But I will, however, knock any existing carbon buildup off the valves right now. All I'm gonna do is spray this in here, guys. Let this set on top of the intake valves. So by the time I start it, any carbon buildup that's on there, it's just gonna knock it off, guys. I'm just acting proactive. Okay. Now, like I say, the fuel we using now, the fuel that's approved now, Techron and Chevron and all that stuff, it's pretty good, guys. It's not letting a lot of carbon be built up on the valves in the first place, so we don't have as much of a problem as we had in the past. But like I say, I like to act proactive. Y'all see all the white stuff down there, so I'm just gonna let that soak on top of the valve. Any carbon buildup on those valves or valve stems or the seat will be removed once I fire it up, because heat and the fact that the valve is going up and down just gonna knock the carbon off. All right, so now I can do my final cleanup, put my new gasket on, and proceed with finishing this job. I'm gonna put some RTV right on the end of the head, guys, and put this. I'm not gonna film any of this, so technically I'm done as far as filming. All right, all I'm doing is fixing a coolant leak. I'm just acting proactive with everything else. All right, I got a lot of work to do with a short amount of time, guys, so I appreciate you guys watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.